Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to start an online business in 2025 but don't have much experience or money to invest, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you 7 real business ideas that you can start today. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. So let's dive in. Number 1 is freelance service. You can start writing, design, edit video or manage social media. You can offer that as a service on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer. Even if you are beginner, you can learn this skill from free on YouTube and start charging client within a few weeks. Freelance helps you to build confidence to earn while you work. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. This means promoting other people's product and earning a commission for every sale. You don't need to build a product, handle customer service, or even hold inventory. Just pick a niche, join an affiliate program like Amazon, ClickBank, Lemon Squeeze, or Share a Sale, and start creating content. YouTube video, blog post or social media reels. This model has unlimited scaling potential. Third, we have print on demand. You create design for t-shirt, mugs, phone cases, and when someone orders, a third party prints and ship it for you. No inventory needed. Just connect your Shopify store or Etsy account to a service like Printful or Printify and you are in business. It's perfect if you love creativity but don't want to worry about logistics. Number 4 is selling digital products. Think template, planner, ebook, Notion dashboard or online courses. Once you create it, you can sell it 24/7 with zero inventory and 100% profit margin. Platforms like Gumroad, Lemon Squeeze, and Shopify make it easy to sell digital download worldwide. Fifth is dropshipping. Similar to print on demand, but with physical product, you create an online store, list trending product from supplier like Amazon, and when someone buy, the supplier ship it directly to your customer. It's a great model if you want to focus on marketing and brand building without dealing with storage or shipping. Sixth idea, content creation. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok or blogging, content builds an audience. Once you have viewers or reader, you can monetize through ads, brand deal, affiliate link and digital product. If you are passionate about a topic, take entertaining or inspire others while build your income stream. Number 7 is online coaching or consulting. If you have experience in something, business, fitness, medicine, marketing, you can package your knowledge and help others one-to-one or in-on groups. You can offer coaching calls via Zoom and charge premium price with zero upfront cost. So those were 7 beginner-friendly online business ideas you can start in 2025 with little or no experience. The best part, you can mix and match them too. For example, use content to grow affiliate sales or offer freelance services while building your e-commerce store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below which idea you are most excited to try. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye.